today begins 3 months, basically, of various shows and touring after, how long did this last? A year and a half of sheltering in place. So I thought I would start the vlog. I thought I'd start the vlog now. This is my bus. But there will be another one soon. I thought I would start this vlog now because this is a local gig without taking a car. That's what's happening today. I'm going to open for Bob Schneider, which I'm stoked about. It's a sold-out show, and it's in Novato, and I'm in San Francisco. So I'm getting there now to Novato. I'm starting the trek solo. I've got my guitar, my War on Cars t-shirt, and a very heavy backpack. One o'clock on the button, 15 minutes early. Crushing it. Oh man, perfect timing. The ferry is arriving right now. Check it out.
The personal ad is terribly sad, desperately seeking what no one has ever had. The popular crowd is shiny and loud. They're laughing at you. They're laughing at you. They're laughing at me too. They're laughing at you. That night on the pier, when heaven was here, and the music played from the dead arcade, and the wheel turned, and the water burned. You're a transformer. You're a transformer. You're a performer. You're a transformer. I'm over it, oh, let me be.
Alright. One of the things that I love most about traveling this way is the pace. So I have a little bit of time. I think I have like an hour or so to get to the train. But I thought it'd be fun to share what I brought. My guitar, face mask, Bluetooth headphones that were like $7 online that are the old school that I like. I love this bag. This is a Brooklyn Industries bag that my friend Raina gave me in 2007. And aside from a little sewing I did to the straps, it's still rocking. The hydro flask, boom. Two of these. This is a solar powered, but also charge it in the regular socket. This thing's great. This thing's clutch, especially if you're rocking the original 2016 iPhone SE, because the battery's not quite what it used to be. Show clothes. Gotta have your show clothes. These are my bike clothes. In San Francisco at night, it's gonna be cold, so I'm gonna layer up. I've got my tuner and my cords here. Merchandise, USB drives, more merchandise, individually wrapped in plastic. Why? Why? They came like this. Why? Why do these need to be wrapped in plastic? I don't know. How much is my entire life's work worth? That's a question for the USB drives.
What is my life's work worth?
That's everything. Oh yeah, throat coat tea, field notes for notes, thoughts, lyrical feelings. These Japanese lapens, I love these. Earplugs. How do you replace the wisdom of 20 years of doing this, you know? Like, I got it all. Earplugs. This is like the on-foot, non-bike version. The bike is in the shop right now. The bike is in the shop. And it was supposed to be done today, but it's not done today. They're still working on it. They're really going for it. They're like replacing everything for this tour that's upcoming. So I'm grateful for that, but I'm also doing it on foot today. I want to share with you one thing I'm specifically thinking about with the this bike touring and walking touring and whatever else. My show clothes are going to be really wrinkled. It's not going to be totally classy. I don't know how to keep the show clothes looking classy, but the good news is that that's never really been my thing anyway. Okay, check out this pedestrian bridge. Isn't this great? Cars everywhere. Ferries. And a guy. One solo man.
One man walking. Where does he go? What does he think? Walks with purpose. Look at those dockers. Those are good fitting dockers. Those are dialed dockers.
So classy. Water bar. You gotta stay hydrated. It's a totally rad bike path, pedestrian path, and just a snarl of cars. Everyone gets cars, that's the plan. Just everyone. Everyone should have one or two, probably. That's how we'll do it. So then this bike pedestrian path connects with the train, and the train goes to Novato. Right now it goes all the way to the Santa Rosa airport. Apparently there's like opposition, whatever. I have the train entirely to myself. Everyone is choosing to drive.
Coming back to California, I'm in love with California. California, I'm in love with you. I'll give all my loving to you. I'll give all my best years to you. I'll give everything I've got to you. When it's over, California, I'll be angry, California. California, if you don't come true. I believe you, California. I believed you, California. California, I believe in you.
Sweet. Well, I'm here. I'm here for the gig. And I don't load in for another 2 hours, so it's totally chill. I have time to get a burrito, and it's just gonna be really chill and great. So let's see what Novato has to offer. I just want to point out one of the reasons that I'm just like not gonna wear jeans, I don't think, ever again, unless I'm playing, is like I can turn these into shorts, you know? Life is too short to be walking around in jeans, right? I only want flowing linen gowns from here on out. I also have no idea where I am. My phone will just tell me, but I don't know where I am in Novato. I know it's about a 20-minute walk to the gig. Food is amazing. Food is great. This burrito's great. if you're ever in Novato, these guys are great. Under the howling freeways. You hear that? Ooh. I learned this term, windshield bias. Windshield bias. Do you have windshield bias? Those people on that howling freeway up there, they have no idea how much noise they're making. It's not just about the pollution, like the emissions. It's about the noise emissions, like the noise pollution. It's just, ugh. This is fennel. Can you do this in a car? Just like feel like you want some freshies? Just a little freshie. It's so good. Oh my God. It's great. This path is great. This gig is like in a strip mall with a Target. I wonder when it's gonna get all Targety. The great 101 freeway. I'm in some sort of a parking lot, I'm in like a business parking lot. A lot of empty spaces too. You could just put affordable housing here instead of these empty parking spots.
Look at those beautiful cars. Oh, just wonderful. Can you count them all? Can you count the beautiful, wonderful cars? Look at them all. One after another.
Chick-fil-A. Big line for the Chick-fil-A. People are feeling it. Chick-fil-A must mean we're close though. Windshield bias. Like I didn't have the phone on because I was being safe crossing that crosswalk, but even with the walk signal, it's like the people in the cars are just like itching. They're like creeping toward the crosswalk as I'm walking across it, waiting to accelerate through it in their 2-ton trucks, like raised trucks with the tires are so absurdly large. To navigate this shopping mall in Novato, is that the deal? You need that? You need like a tank to navigate Novato? It's fun to almost get hit by a car in the crosswalk while wearing a War on Cars t-shirt. I really think the Target is close to here. I think we're close. I see a Ross Dress for Less. I see a DSW Designer Shoe Warehouse.
Which is not a bad way to do it. I see a Verizon.
I see a Verizon. I see a Sports Basement. I see a Bevmo.
I see a Starbucks.
And they really do have it all here. I see a C's Candies, Panera Bread, Extreme Pizza, home of the pizza cookie. Back in 2016, there's an Extreme Pizza across from my place, and it was open till midnight. And every night, right around 11 p.m., I would feel the call of the pizza cookie, and I would cross the street to buy one shamefully and consume it and then go to sleep. It's not a good habit to get into. And one time I was crossing the street at like 11:30 p.m. and the woman that worked there was smoking a cigarette. She waved at me before I crossed the street. She said, "We're out of cookies." And I realized I probably was eating too many cookies. The mother lode. Target. Lots of room for affordable housing here in Novato at the Target parking lot. See, this is why I'm so interested in getting around this way. You just see things you don't even expect to see, and then you think things you don't expect to think. Like, I didn't think I was going to have a affordable housing parking related thought today, but here we are. This is probably full on like December 23rd. So it's good to have capacity, carrying capacity for max SUVs. I also see a Petco, and I think I recognize that too. Balls? Marshalls. Marshalls, like picture frames. Eureka, the gig. Alright, I found a little spot here behind the venue, behind the mall, to practice my tunes. There's a person belting like sweet tunes outside the Target. I am really enjoying this nature sit, playing the guitar. I'm loving it. I love getting to places early. It just kind of works out. We're the only people in this zone. Hey, Mikhail. These are my friends. This is for my YouTube channel about traveling without a car, you guys. This is great. These are my friends. Hey, guys.
Hey.
These are my friends. I got you guys the hot guest passes.
Yeah.
Katie's got the thing. Show it. Yeah, nice. Let's see them. Nice, nice. The opener gets 2 guest passes. Okay, great.
I've had a lot of nothing, and I've had some poor man's gold, but I've never had a home until now. Craziness, all the weather, we can make it through if we laugh at it together. It gets bad, but it gets better.
Do you know what song this is? What is it? Which one?
Holding in the world.
No, you're right. That's my fucking star pupil right there. He's at the front of it. He's not in the back of the room with these people over here that are trying to fucking get away with some sneaky conversations. He's right out in the front, and I'm like, oh, I know what song that is. He's my star student. Dude, you're just gonna be, I don't know. Plus. I don't even think that exists, man. Hard and heavy eyes, silly boys with names like Luke or Billy.
Alright, Bob's jamming. People are digging it. Good show. Possible Delta variant. Droplets exchange. A lot of smelly perfume in there. I gotta go because the bus, I gotta catch the bus, so I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna work with getting paid. I need to get paid. Okay, wait, we have a conundrum here post-show. So these are my friends, Mikhail and Katie. Hi, guys.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm supposed to not use cars or airplanes. I'm already going to break it for the Tacoma trip anyway. So I asked Katie and Mikhail if they would take me to the bus station. How many cars do you have between the two of you?
2.
2 cars! I get to pick which one.
Yeah,
which one should I take?
with?
Well, which one? You have the
Well, he doesn't have his glasses.
No, I'll probably ride with Katie. Mikhail is driving without his
Sprinter van.
We don't have Lena.
Oh, a Sprinter van with the carbon emissions. But
it gets the same gas mileage as his Element.
Wait, so this is really a conundrum because technically, since you have 2 different cars, one of you could take me all the way home.
Theoretically.
No, but see, they don't want to do it. You can tell.
No,
right?
I don't.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to the bus.
We've driven for hours
I
to
know.
come to this show.
4!
4 hours.
8 together.
All right, so since the cars are both going anyway, a 0.3 mile trip to the bus station is not too bad.
Well, I mean, you might as well ride to Berkeley.
I can't ride to Berkeley because the BART is not running after 9 o'clock.
So where are you going?
Home. But I have to take this bus to the Golden Gate Transit Center on the bridge, and then take the... I don't know what happens after that. Actually, I really don't. All right, well, I'm at the downtown Novato, outside the Whole Foods. Pretty good moon. A lot of cars, waiting on the 11:01 bus, which will take me from Novato to San Francisco. And yeah, you can just meditate on the Whole Foods logo. It was really good to hang out with Katie and Mikhail. And yeah, really good. They kept me company here for most of the wait. And now I'm just waiting for the bus. I made it. I'm on the bus. You can't see it in the background, but that's the Golden Gate Bridge. I had an option here upon getting back to San Francisco that I could either take the bus all the way downtown and then get on a different bus, or I could just walk home. It's like a 3-mile walk. I'm just gonna walk home because it's a beautiful night, and just kind of thinking about stuff. The risotto that I got at the gig, I got some gig risotto, and feel like it's kind of gonna work off the risotto, let it power me through this here. So that's my plan. God, it's beautiful here. I wish the phone's not good enough. You can't see the beautiful fog, and it's beautiful. It's great. I think the show is my least favorite part of the whole day, to be totally honest. It really smelled in there. I don't know if anybody else is experiencing this, but like in the new world, after not being in indoor spaces, it's like people's perfume and stuff, it's like, it's just stinky. It just stinks in there. I enjoyed the gig. I enjoyed playing music. Theoretically, I did enjoy playing it. I love playing music, but I'm actually really stoked about this walk now. Well, that's the Golden Gate Bridge. Can't see it at all, can you? Oh my God, dude, this is so beautiful, this walk. This is the California Coastal Trail. It's an almost full moon. The full moon is tomorrow. It's a clear night, like, it could be so much breezier and colder out here, but it's not. And this is, you can't see it. You just can't see it. The ocean, oh my God. This is so rad. Oh man. There's just no way to express this experience. It's amazing to me to think that like this is a way. This is a way to get from that gig to my home. Walking along this coastal trail under the moon. Oh man. But usually you just speed right by it. And some people on the beach. This walk home is a profound experience. I kind of thought this was going to be a bummer, like this was going to be the bummer part. And this is amazing. It's like This California coastal trail under the moon next to the ocean. It's a warm night, and it has not been warm, it just happens to be tonight, and the clouds are moving beautifully over the moon. Oh my god, dude, this is... I am so glad that I am doing this ridiculous adventure of traveling in this creative way. I got offered multiple rides, and I was like, no, I kept saying, no, I'm trying to do something, was my answer. I'm trying to do something. I don't know what it is that I'm trying to do, but I think it's something like this. It's like creating moments like this. This is rad. I mean, if I can make a living playing my songs in wherever, a sessions room in the back of a restaurant bar in Novato, or you name it, and then around that have experiences like this, man, I am a real lucky fella. Man, this is really, I can't express it in this video, and it's, the light's not good enough, and I can't show you I can't show it to you. Hello. Hey. Oh yeah, this is the best light so far. I'm almost home. I'm on these pretty stairs. The hits just keep on coming on the walk home, man. Right after that last video at the beach, this young guy named Harry showed up on his bike, and he like walked with me for 20 minutes, half an hour, talking about the whole deal, man. And therein lies the beauty of the city, you know. You run into people. This is just awesome. This is just awesome. This has been great. And I want to just say one thing, and then this is going to be the end of the video. It's not always going to be great. Today was a really good experience. The whole thing. Including the 40 minutes when I played music. But really the whole thing, it was just great. Today was great.
Maybe the risotto is the only flaw. I could have picked something different.
But anyway, there are going to be days on that bike when it's going to rain, or the wind, it's going to be a horrible headwind. And that's part of the adventure too. There's going to be some challenges. So when the challenges come, let's remember back to standing on these steps less than a mile from home, and this glorious feeling of like total correctness about this decision. This was really cool today. This was really cool.